Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zulu. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So Jakuja, the Christian TikTok influencer, has trended a couple of months ago, and I thought I should bring this back into my channel as she spoke about how Isphandla is demonic, you guys. So Isphandla is a bracelet made of cow skin. It is traditionally believed by Zulu people that it is for protection or something like that, because they are connected to their ancestors, you guys. Now, Jakuja ridiculed it and made a shocking revelations as to why it is evil and demonic. So I do not at all want to spoil this video by explaining, so I'll just go ahead and upload the video of her detailing why she thinks so, you guys. So please do not forget to, of course, engage with me in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you on the next video. Bye.
Are y'all ready for us to talk about this diabolic tradition that makes people to wear goat skin on their wrists in the name of them getting protection, in the name of them, being connected to their ancestors? Such diabolic traditions that have kept the African man captives to these demonic spirits. Listen, for a covenant to be established, blood needs to be spilt. Now, when you kill that goat and you spill that blood and you go sprinkle it in that kraal and you start speaking to these ancestors of yours, which we know that are familiar spirits, you're talking to these demons and you are telling them you don't realize that you're entering a covenant with spirits. Then you wear this goat skin around your wrist in the name of, it always has to be here. Even when I bath, it must be on my wrist, because if it so happens that I get off, I might fall sick, I might die, nothing is going to happen to you. Nothing is going to happen to you. Stop getting into covenants with demonic spirits. I really don't know who lied to you guys. Who lied? You see, you take a goat skin, that same goat that failed, that goat that failed to protect itself, and you think when you put it on the wrist, it's going to protect you. Really? Really? Come on. I don't care how cute you think this thing is. When you decide to put on this goat skin, Isphandla on your wrist, you are entering in covenants that you will find difficult to be delivered from. That goat is dedicated to ancestors, demonic spirits. You then put it on your wrist. You are going around with ancient demonic spirits that have been operating in your family. You become a carrier for these demonic spirits. You go around, you're busy wearing a wrist, you're going to work. You see why it is important when you are a believer to be on fire for God, because people are coming to work with ancient spirits, ancient demonic spirits that have been operating in their families. These are spirits that wait, do y'all know of that amapiano artist who has a lot of spandles on his wrist, on his arms? Actually, they both arms rather. And why do you think that he has so many Isphandla and then he becomes the piano king? You think it's by coincidence? These men, they initiate themselves to ancestral spirits, to ancient demonic spirits. You guys need deliverance. I'm telling you.